Hi, I'm Taylor Hagler. Hyundai's Ioniq N models bring electrified performance to the road and track. And as part of the experience, you can adjust many of the performance settings of your Ioniq N. Before changing settings, be certain to go through the complete N tutorial in your vehicle by selecting N mode, then the menu icon, and then tutorial. N Drift Optimizer helps maintain a desired drift angle by balancing multiple vehicle controls at once based on inputs by the driver. It also integrates a torque drift kick function to help with immediate response for easier drifting. It can only be activated when the motor mode is set to Sport Plus and electronic stability control is set to off. And it cannot be activated if the manual speed limit is active. To activate N Drift Optimizer, go to N mode and select N Drift Optimizer to turn it on while pressing hard on the brake pedal. When activated, power will be sent to the rear wheels only for an optimum drifting setup. Here are a few things to keep in mind when using N Drift Optimizer. N Drift Optimizer should only be used on a dedicated racetrack. Using this function will cause premature tire wear and damage.
For more information on the features of your Ioniq N, be sure to consult your owner's manual available at My Hyundai or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to watch all the Ioniq N videos on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and at My Hyundai. You're going to want to know everything about these special vehicles. They're a lot of fun.